All right, so shout out to Chinwe for sending in her name. That's right, good up to Chinwe. For sending in her Igbo name of the day request. So Chinwe asked me what I guess the longer version of her name was Chinwenwa, right? She asked me what Chinwenwa means, and basically to let you guys know what the deeper meaning of her name is, and what are some of the characteristics and things about it, right? So first, we're gonna start off with the translation. So, you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. Chi, in this context, means the personal God for your life, right? Almost kind of like your guardian angel or your guiding spirit. Nwe means to own or to have, right? And Nwa means child or children, right? So you put all that together and you get Chinwenwa,